Oi, love. Will you marry me? I've got you a flower.
Thank you.
Sniff the roses.
So Ash, I really don't like this bush, so we need to get rid of it somehow.
Well, it looks like here that there could just be a bit of cement here blocking access to it. So once we get rid of the cement, we'll have direct pathway to the bushes.
What I'm doing, guys, is I'm just digging in my shovel and I'm pulling up. And like you can see, it is all coming up. There's a lot of weeds. Do you know what, Ash?
What?
I think it's time to pull out the big boys. No, I don't mean those big boys. I mean a chainsaw.
Inside the box, it looks like a toy, doesn't it? This is a toy
looks
that
like a
will cut
Halloween
your arm
prop.
off. You don't want to do this.
Oh God, I like it though, it's nice. Oh, how's it feeling?
Oh, you try it. It's like a toy, but you'll
It's
rip
not
your
that
head
heavy.
off.
It's not that heavy. It's not that heavy. It kind of reminds me of, you know, Eminem's, like, he had a video out once and he was going around with a chainsaw. It kind of looks like a toy in that respect. That looks fun. I love it. I love it.
All right, guys, so this knob here controls the tension adjustment knob. So what you want to do, just make sure it's fully tightened up if you already have good tension. Now this one, as I can see, has that couple of millimeters gap on the chain, so I don't need to adjust it. All I need to do is just make sure it's fully tightened up. If I did, however, want to adjust the tension, there is a screw just here. Important, ensure the chain bar oil tank is full.
Oh, we didn't get any oil. Oh my God, that is so much fun. It's so easy to use. I love it. So what I've done is just taken off this big branch here. Look at that. In like 10 seconds and it's done. Oh my God, this is so easy. So easy. Finally, we can see what's going on under here. All right, I'm gonna go. So much fun. Like, I can't believe how quick it is. It's really nice being able to see what you're doing as well, like clearing out and just seeing what's underneath all of this, because there's a lot of hidden stuff in here. Control wise, it's not that heavy actually. It's fairly sturdy. It's nice that it's got the handle which curls around all the way so you can get at different angles. It's nice that it's got a safety lock as well, so when you do release the trigger it just stops working. And I have to say it is very sharp for me. Like, I don't know what professional chainsaws like. This one is actually very good for me for the purpose that I'm using it for. I'm happy, I feel safe with it, and yeah, I'm going to carry on. I think this tree is about 6 years old. Big bulk is done. I'm just going to cut away at those remaining little tiny hedges with my pruning scissors. Hopefully this is going to work. If not, I'll have to get a big one. But basically, we're just going to cut. There we go. That's nice. Cut them away. Put it to one side. Ooh, it's becoming a garden again.
This is a big stump. It's a big one. Can the Ozito Power Exchange handle it? Be honest with you, that was a bit tricky because there was a big rock behind it, so I was actually making sure the blade didn't touch. And this is it.
Good job.
Goodbye, disgusting hedge.
I know you're not meant to, but I was doing a bit of soaring to help it along. Just back and forwards like this, not down, back and forwards, because it does get a bit stuck every now and then. I gotta say, I was a bit nervous when I got this chainsaw. I figured I'd chop my arm off. That still might happen, so stay tuned. But I am thoroughly enjoying this. Thoroughly enjoying this.
Told you it was fun. What just happened? They just fell. That was just you looking at them. They got weak.
It's actually really good I got rid of those two, because if I was being dangerous like I was earlier and I was just soaring down straight, I might have actually hit this rock. So yeah, don't do what I was doing. Just be a bit more calculated and methodical. Oi love, will you marry me? I've got you a flower.
Thank you.
Snip the roses.